Once you've got a school trained up in PIC-ID, like this Central Elementary School, you'll notice that the WhoZat button becomes enabled. What this does is it allows you to create a package that you would give to a school, installed software, where people at the school can have access to the face matching for the school using the images that you built for them. It's actually quite simple. You say the school we're going to build this package for is Central Elementary. The folder where we're going to save this package, I'm just going to put in my delete me folder, but you might save that to a flash drive, for example. Your company logo, this is a little bit of branding. I'm going to use the Foxmar logo. They're the ones who shared this idea with me. And then finally, you would choose an expiration date. You don't want this to run forever. You want it to, let's say, expire in the summer months so that next year the school has to come back to you to get a refreshed license and to use the images from the new school year. So I'll just hit OK, and it will build this package. So here it's done. What would the school use this for? Well, there's usually two people that are interested in it. The first is the vice principal, and the second is the yearbook advisor. So the vice principal might be interested. Here we go. This is what the application looks like to the school. It's as simple as it could possibly be. It's a small window where you just drag and drop images, and it does stuff. It renders out an image which says this is a picture of Aubrey and we think it's a picture of Gail. And if we just do that with multiple images, let's just take a bunch of them and drop them in, it will write out the results like this. So this might be used, for example, from security footage or just to know who is in a particular image. Another person at the school that would be interested in this would be the yearbook advisor, often for groups, let's say. So they would take a group photo, drag it in, and WhoZat will write out here the debugging information telling you that this is Rory and Aubrey and Lee might not be as useful to the yearbook advisor as actually having a text file, which is saved over here in the groups folder. So the image, and then here's the original image that was copied, and then here's a matching text file which was saved off, and it says the third, second, and front row are made up of these people. So the yearbook advisor would find that very handy. And you saw me do it from scratch. I had a trained school in PIC-ID. I hit a button, and now I've got this thing which you can give to the school, and they can put under lock and key, and it's not based in the cloud, and it's not a full installer. It can run directly off the flash drive for as long as you allow it to run. Hope that's useful.